Hi everyone. It's James here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to, easily install the reloaded version of Battlefield 4. As you guys can see, the game is pretty huge. It's somewhere around 23 gigabyte, and it's got 3 different discs. Okay, so when you first get the game, you're gonna have something like that says Battlefield 4 Reloaded. So when you click on that, you would see DVD 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now is install the first one. And before we can actually install the first one, we will need to mount the images. Okay, in order to do that, you will need to download a program called Magic ISO. Okay, so that's what I use. There's Power ISO, there's Daemon Tools, and there's other programs out there you can use. But I prefer to use Magic ISO. I think it's powerful and has a lot of content. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now is right click on the ISO when you download. And sometimes in order to mount, you might need to download a driver that will allow you to mount that image. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is go to Magic ISO. uh, right click this, go to my guys and set numbers of drives. I already have 4, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mount um, to one of the DVDs. Yeah, one of the drives over here. So when you get that, this would pop up. Yeah, and just to let you guys know, this is my first time installing Battlefield 4, the reloaded version. Yeah, I would appreciate you guys who can walk me through this. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna have to do is click Run Origin Installer. So when you click on that, then it pops this up. So one thing I do is I download my games to a specific type of folder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and navigate that folder. It's in my desktop. It's in James Gone. I already made a folder for it, so you don't have to do this if you're not really sure. This is only for advanced users. Okay. Yeah, and click OK, Battlefield 4, and you install the game. Okay, click yes to begin installation to the folder. So we'll have to wait for a while because the game is pretty huge. So this would take a while, and I am going to have to pause this video, and hopefully I see you guys later. Yeah, okay. So as you guys can see, the the first installation is complete, and the game requires the second disc. Okay, so what you guys are gonna do is go to computers, and I want you guys to no, not computers. Go back to go to DVD 2 and right click and mount the image, Magic ISO. So what you're gonna do is mount the image to yeah. So when you mount it, you guys should see an autoplay uh, file pop up. You don't have to do anything to that. Just exit out and go back to the installation. Then browse. Okay, browse that. Not really sure if it requires any other file, but I'll just go ahead and select the. Let's see what happens when we do that. And click OK. Okay, let's see. Browse that and click on the game, or let's say select game 18, and let's see what happens. Okay, so that's exactly what happens. So you always have to keep trying to see if it works. Sometimes you have to select the file, and sometimes you have to select the DVD. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pause this game while the second disc installs, and when the game requires the third one, then I would continue. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna go ahead and pause it. Okay, yeah. So the second disk has finished installing, and the game requires the third disk. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is go to the game, the third disk, do the same thing you did for the third one. Mount the game and to the F. Okay, so this would come up. I'm just gonna go ahead and X this out. Okay, so when that is done, then we go here, then we browse the game, and go to third disk, the game. You're probably not gonna have to select the third one, but I'm just gonna go ahead and keep game open and click OK, or select the third one, open, third. Hold on for a second. First, second, and third disk. Okay, so this is the third one, right? Open and click OK. For some reason, the third disk isn't working. DVD3 browse. Is it this? Oh, okay. Game. Oh, the third one. Okay. Okay. So all you have to do is just locate the third disk and install it. Yeah, okay, so the game is finished installing, and one thing I noticed is that something is trying to run as an administrator, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click yes. Okay, so after that, I don't know what's going on right now. It's probably installing something else, or yeah, yeah. So this is going to take a while, but yeah, I'm just gonna pause for a while and go back to it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. As you guys can see, the game installation is complete, and so the next thing you're gonna have to do is exit the game, and I'm not really sure if the game made um, some type of a desktop or an icon or whatever. What I'm just gonna do right now is we're gonna go to the games directory. Okay, so here's what the game looked like in directory. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is go to the third disk. Okay, the third ISO DVD, and what you're gonna have to do is click on the click copy. Okay, copy all the content in the folder, and once you do that, then what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and paste all the content, copy and replace all the contents, and yep. So that is basically how to install the Battlefield 3 game on your PC, the reloaded version. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching this video. If it helped, I would appreciate you guys subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching, and have a good one.